My curly hair routine using Lux Organics. First is to thoroughly wet your hair. Next is to apply a right amount of Curl and Define shampoo on your scalp to lift dirt and build-ups. Then rinse completely. Next is to get your Curl and Define conditioner. Apply generously to soaking wet hair. Don't forget to squish to condition. Detangle with fingers or a wide tooth comb. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Next is to get your Curl and Define essence. Apply a right amount of essence evenly. Scrunch upwards to encourage curl, clumping, and bounce. While your hair is still soaking wet, get your Curl and Define hair mousse. Dispense a golf ball size amount into your palm. Apply it evenly to your hair. And scrunch it into your curls from ends to roots. Air dry or diffuse for best result. And here's the final look. I'm using these products for some time now and still highly recommended ko pa rin sila. Just a quick tip, avoid brushing dry hair to maintain curl shape. And if you want products that are free of sulfates and silicone, making it suitable for CGM, you may add Lux Organics Curl and Define line to your routine. That's it. Bye!